Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix goals game error, and the error is goals experience build requires DirectX 12 with feature level SM6 which is not supported on your system. Please run the performance version of the game by right clicking on the game in your system library, select properties, then add variant equal to low in the field for launch options. So if you're getting this error in the goals game, then here follow the fixes very carefully. Now the first fix is to enter goals low end 2026 in private versions. So here how to do it. Open Steam, go to library, right click on goals game and then click on properties. Then go to the game versions and betas, and here you will see private versions. So here you have to enter the code. So copy this code. I will provide this code in my video description and then paste it over here and then click on check code. And then you will see opt into low end. So click on opt into low end. So you have to select the low end branch from the drop down, close the properties window and wait for Steam to download the update automatically. So click on opt into low end and then close the tab, and here you can see it is starting download. So just wait for this download to get complete and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So please wait. Now once it is added, then you can click on play button and you will not face the error. Later when this problem is solved by the developers, then you can always go back to original settings. You can select this default public version, but only after developers fix this problem. Now if still your problem is not solved, then fix is to try goals from Xbox app or Epic Games Launcher. So simply uninstall goals game from your Steam and then open the Xbox app and install the goals game in Xbox app and then play the game. Or you can also open Epic Games Launcher, download the goals game, install it from the Epic Games Launcher, and then you can play the game. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve goals game error. Goals experience build requires DirectX 12 with feature level SM6 which is not supported on your system. Please run performance version of the game by right clicking on the game in your Steam library, selecting properties, then add variant low in the field for launch options. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.